Hello, good morning students. This is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Once again, I welcome you to online classes. As you all know students, we will practice some important questions from last 1 week, and now this is the time for proceed our syllabus. So students, from today I am going to proceed our chapter, and today I will explain the exercise of chapter 8. So each and every student open your computer book and open the exercise of chapter 8. So let us start students from the question number first, that is from exercise number A. Take the correct answer. Okay, let us start it students. Student, question number first is from exercise number A, that is take the correct answer. Exercise number A is take the correct answer. In this question number first is which of the following is used to run more than one script at the same time. Okay student, this is the question number first, and in this there are three options. Option number first is stop. Option number second is green flag, and option number third is grow. Okay student, the question is which of the following is used to run more than one script at the same time. Students, if you want to run more than one script at the same time, so you have to click on the green flag button. Option number second is the right answer. Now come to the question number second. Dear students, question number second is the sprite says the answer. The sprite says the answer using which block? Using which block? Okay. The question is the sprite says the answer using which block? Okay. In this, option number A is say block. Option number second is answer block, and option number third is wait block. Dear students, the question is the sprite says the answer using which block? Students, you can use sprite say the answer block from the say block. Option number first is the right answer. Clear everyone? Now come to the next question. Dear student, the next question is question number third. Let me erase this. Student, question number third is which of the following blocks can add a condition in a scratch project. Okay, student, the question is asking which of the following blocks can add a condition in a scratch project. In this there are three options. Option number first is if, option number B is weight, and option number C is pen down. Okay, dear students, option number A, if block is used to add condition in a scratch project. If block is used to add condition in a scratch project. Clear? Now come to the next, that is question number 4. Here student, question number 4 is which of these has blocks that are used to add condition in a program. Okay, option number A is looks block, and option number B is pen block, and option number C is control block. Okay, dear student, look at the question number 4. Question number 4 is asking which of these has blocks that are used to add condition in a program. There are difference between the question number 3rd and question number 4. Question number 3rd is asking which of the following blocks can be add condition in a scratch project, and the question number 4 is asking which of the following blocks that are used to add condition in a program. Dear student, the right answer of this question is control block. Control block is used to add condition in a program. Clear? Now come to the next question, that is question number 5. Okay, let me erase this. Students, question number 5 is which of these can be inserted in multiple form in a scratch project. Okay, in this there are three options. Option number A is script, option number B is script, and option number C is both A and B. Okay, dear student, the question is asking which of these can be inserted in multiple form in a scratch project. Dear students, as you all know, sprite can be added in multiple form in scratch project. Clear everyone? Now come to the next exercise, that is exercise number B. Okay, that is fill in the blanks. Students, exercise number B is fill in the blanks. In this question number first is the dash block menu as blue color coded blocks. Okay, students, as you all know, sensing blocks has blue color coded blocks. You have to fill the sensing block. And the question number second is in the ask block and wait block you can type your answer. You can type your answer using a dash. Yes, student, you have to fill your keyboard. Okay. Now come to the question number third. Student, question number third is the dash block menu has blocks that are used to add condition in a program. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अभी ये टिक द करेक्ट आंसर में हम लोगों ने क्वेश्चन देखा है द कंट्रोल ब्लॉक. ओके, हियर यू हैव टू फिल कंट्रोल ब्लॉक. कंट्रोल ब्लॉक मेनू हैज ब्लॉक दैट आर यूज्ड टू ऐड कंडीशन इन अ प्रोग्राम. ओके, नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4 is logical thinking includes problem identification information searching and finding dash. Dear students, you have to fill here solution. Okay, in this question you have to fill solution. Students, the question is asking logical thinking include problem identification, information searching and finding. In this question you have to fill solution. And the question number 5 is using the dash flag button you can run the script. Okay, as you all know students, green flag button is used to run the script. Clear everyone? Green flag button is used to run the script. And the next exercise, that is exercise number C, write T for true statement and F for false statement, we will do in our next video lecture. So students, you have to complete it in your CW and HW copy. Okay, and the next exercise I will explain in my next video lecture. Till then students, goodbye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye students.